Go.
Hey, Ben. Say hi. Oh, Lucy, that was good. Go get the ball, Lucy. Nice rear end shot. Lucy, go get the ball. Lucy, go get the ball. Lucy, go get it. No, no, no. Go get the ball. Hi, Ben. You're standing up straight? Look how cute you are. Uh-oh. You closing Lucy in the closet? That was mean. Oh, no.